All right, this is what we cooking today. Edamame. I call it edamame. Edamame. That's how you really say it. We got our maple syrup, our crunchy garlic oil with chili oil. Got the mild version. And we got our soy sauce. I put a little bit of that bouillon up in there. Got it cooking. About to throw my doggone edamame in there. Sorry, y'all, don't eat the apple. Hold on. We're gonna throw the edamame in there. Let it boil for 5 minutes. Let's see how we do there. Trying to use my hand. Terrible. Focus now. Throw that edamame in there. And boom, let that cook 5-10 minutes till it's ready or whenever. All right. Cool, we'll be back. Now we're gonna mix up our sauce. So what I do is I got this girl named Shaquila on YouTube. Put that sauce inside of here. I'm not really a big fan of soy sauce, so I'm trying not to put too much. I got sugar-free maple syrup, and we're gonna throw some of this in there to show this up. Give that as a good. Stir it up. You want to make it real spicy. You can top it off with some sriracha, but I'm cool with trying this. Check on your edamame. Y'all, I really don't know when this is on. I guess when they start opening. This is my first one cooking in this. Look at this, so play it by ear. All right, then you place it in the bowl. Close it up. Back, but y'all get the gist. And this is what it looked like. It looked good, y'all. It looked good. Let me see. I am going to see what it's gonna taste like. I'm gonna let it sit for a minute and then eat it.